about how we can able to link the projects. Okay, so it's mean host file, how we can able to link the whole host file uh, architecture to MEP. See, for example, we are working on mechanical. So it's work how we can able to link that file and how we can able to apply the mechanical uh, elements in there. So first of all, I just wanted to show you this is a managed link. I already link my file and I can go to find out. Okay. So here you can able to see this is my host file, the link file I linked it. So here you can able to see from the project browser, you can go to find out here. So this one is showing here the link file name. Right. So first of all, I have to select this model, go to property and choose the property type. Here you can find out the room bounding. Okay. So this is a must. So you need to apply the room bounding and apply and okay. So after that, you can select again the model, go back to analyze, choose a space, click one side and press automatically. Now it's automatically done. Now you can go back to your space and naming. So now what happened? The system is generated the copy of names based on your architectural model or structural anything. The host model is reflected to here. So now you can able to see this is showing here. Now I can go back to my east. Here you can able to see this is your default levels, right? So here you can able to see the three levels in the previous drawing of host. So how we can able to create the level, another level, right? So here you can able to see level 1 and level 2. Here you can able to see 0, 1. So here I will change the name. The level name I keep it like 0 and I will make it like the name is 1. Now I can go back to my collaborate. In collaborate, I can choose the copy monitor, select and copy. Have to choose this one, the extra level. So here you can able to see it showing the reference level. It's showing like a black color. Now how I can able to convert that one as a level. So I just wanted to go to view. In the view, plan view, floor plan. Okay. And again, I can go back to here, choose reflected ceiling plan, edit. I can go to choose the mechanical ceiling, apply OK. Okay. Now what happened? Now we already create our levels to floor plan and to ceiling plan. So I just wanted to rename this level to just leave like this. Even ceiling also. I can rename it. So it's easy to understand. Like a uniform, you can find out. So here you can able to see this. Now I can go back to my section. Okay, I can create the another section somewhere here. I can create the another section. Right. Now, for example, I can choose to go to view. Now you can able to see this is our section is out. Okay. I can just select this two section and right click go to. I can just hide that element. Now I can go back to annotate to choose my elevations level, right? So you can able to see how it will be reflected, right? So this is the way we can able to get our measurements and everything based on this. Now I can go back to my schedule and right click, go back to new schedule. So here I can go to choose my mechanical. Okay. I can go to find out the space. Okay. I can choose space. It's loading. I need to create the space scheduling. It's loading now. I can just share some categories. Okay. See, now you can able to see this room number, level and names. Here you can able to see this. So based on our room bounding, we can able to find out this things. Now I can go back to my mechanical. Even here also you can able to see these question marks because it's the section. The system doesn't know about the section where that subdivision. So you can just select and you can go to find out the subdiscipline HAC. So now you can able to see the subdiscipline is showing. So most important discipline and subdiscipline. So here what we did now we create the room names and we create the copy monitor to copy the level, right? So you can go back to my 3D view. So now you can able to see this is my model. I can link into the mechanical, right? So if you want, you can go to find out the collaboration. So it's reflected. So this is the way we need to manage the file and create the file names, and we need to create the room names. After that, we can go to find out the levels. Okay. I hope you understand this. Thank you.